how to use Google VEO3 for creating vertical videos for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this we will use ChatGPT and Flow. So first of all, open up ChatGPT and get the prompt for the video generation. Simply ask ChatGPT to give you a JSON prompt, as JSON prompts are way better as compared to the normal text and it would give you a better output. So simply ask ChatGPT and this way you would get this code and you can just simply copy this code and open up Google, search for Flow and open up Flow. After that, this is where it will take you. Simply log into your Flow account and after that click on this option of create new project, and over here you need to just paste the code that we just got from ChatGPT and click on this option of settings, and here you get this option of portrait. Simply select it, select the output as 1 and select VEO 3.1 as the fast, and it will take 20 credits. And you get some more options over here. Simply make sure that you select the option of text to video, and after that click on this option of go and wait for the output. Just wait for a while and you would get the output. Currently we have completed 50% of the output, 50 more to go, and our video is ready. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.